What's up people, this is Mmoh from Venice Media Home. Last video we talked about the user interface of Adobe Premiere Pro. In this video we're talking about how to import footages in Adobe Premiere Pro and use the toolbars to alter the footages. So right now, and I guess as you're watching this video right now, you've clicked on the link in my description to download the latest version of Adobe Premiere Pro 2019. It has some cool features in it. Alright, so now let's jump into Adobe Premiere 2019. So right now I have the latest version of Adobe Premiere installed on my laptop. As you can see, the user interface is a bit different from the previous version of it, and I have some cool features here right now. So let's jump into importation of files in Premiere Pro. I have three major ways to import files in Premiere Pro. First of all, you can use the file to import file. You scroll down to where it's written import, which is Ctrl-I, the shortcut. You just click on it, locate the file where it is on your desktop or any file explorer, then you import it. Click open, it import. Or you can minimize your user interface, locate the file, then you drag it to your project file. Or the third method you can use is by using the media browser. You can use the media browser to locate your file where it is, then you import it. Okay, so those are the three major ways to import files to Premiere Pro. So this is my Explorer, and here are my footages. I drag and drop in my project file. So the files are being imported in there. Alright, I scale it up. So now we have a footage in our project file. So to preview this footage, just let you know what kind of footage it is. We double click on it. It will display on the source project. Okay? Display. So this is the kind of footage we have. This is where we preview our footage. This tool is called Add Marker. This mark in, mark out. This one is go to in, that is Shift I. This step back. This is play. This is the opposite direction of these ones. This is to insert, overwrite, export frame. Okay. So each of these tools has its function on this source display. Okay, like the mark, you can use it to mark a point. Maybe you want to cut from this point to this point. You can use it to mark it. I don't actually use that always because I can easily just cut using the mark in and mark out. Okay, and as for this, go into the beginning. Okay, this is the opposite direction to the end, as you can see. Alright, this is a step back and a step forward to move by frames. Each frame, okay, it moves by frames. Alright, so next is play. Okay, is where you used to play the footage to know what you have. You insert your footage to the timeline automatically. It inserts there. Okay, so now let's jump into the toolbars of the timeline. Let's import our footage to the timeline. Easy it is, you just drag it and drop it on the timeline. Okay, you either keep existing setting or change sequence setting. You either keep the setting you've made on your Premiere, your sequence setting, or you change the setting to match with the sequence you are importing right now. So let's keep the existing setting. Okay, so we zoom in. Alright, okay. Now I have the selection tool. The selection tool is used to perform three major functions. You can either use it to move the clip, okay, around your timeline, or you can use it to trim the clip backward or forward, and you can also use it to highlight the clip. Okay, because on our timeline I have two layers. Specifically, we have two layers. We have the upper layer and the down layer. The down layer is for the audio files, and the upper layer is for the visual files of your footages or your clips you import. Now the next tool we have here, we have the track select forward. Okay, this track select forward, we need to also highlight our clip, the whole clip in your timeline. Once these two arrows display, you know that you have to highlight all the whole clips in your timeline. Okay, so if you hold down shift, let me highlight out. Hold down shift, as you can see only one arrow. It can only highlight a particular row, this row. If you click it, it highlights only this row. Okay, let me show you for example. Let's duplicate this clip. Hold down shift, hold down alt. Okay, so now we have two visuals here right now. So I want to highlight only this one without highlighting this one with the track select. I hold down shift, I click on this, only this is highlighted, as you can see. Alright, but once I leave it, it's two arrows. If I click, I highlight everything on the timeline. So that is the function. Once it's highlighted, you click on V for your selection tool. You can move it around and so on and so forth. So now Ctrl Z, let me undo everything. The next tool we have here is the ripple tool. I often use this all the time. Its major function is to close gaps. Okay, for instance, let's cut this. I know I'll soon come to this eraser tool. Let's cut this clip into two. Okay, let's cut it into two. So with the ripple tool, maybe I don't want this part of the video from here to here. Okay, I don't want from here to here. Okay, so once I go to the end point of the clip, I drag that point I don't want. If I leave it, it will automatically adjust. Okay, it will draw the next clip to come and close the gap. So what it does, it closes a gap faster. And you can also use the razor tool to do the same thing. You can use it to cut your clips. Once you cut it, you highlight the parts you want to highlight, you click on delete. It deletes it, but there is still gap. You have to manually close the gap yourself. But with the ripple tool, it automatically closes the gap. Alright? So that is the function of that. So we'll go down to the slip tool. The slip tool actually changes the footages, the position of the footage. You can only be seen on the outputs. Alright? But it doesn't alter the position of the clip itself on the timeline. We have the pen tool. We can use this pen tool to change the opacity. Okay, the opacity of a footage by creating time frame for it. We mark here and here, then we go back to the select tool and drag this down. Okay, as you can see, the opacity is changing. Alright, so you can use it to time frame. It's mostly used to time frame your footage. Okay, the next one we have here is the hand tool. This is what you can use to hover around your timeline to preview your footages and all that, to see the aspects you've not touched yet and everything you have to do, just as the name implies, hand tool. And the last but not the least, here we have the type tool. The type tool is used for adding text. Okay, this is for adding text on your footage. This latest version, I think 2018 and 2019, you can actually write text on your output screen. Not like the previous versions we have to like go down to the title, a tab will pop up and you start customizing your text there. But this latest version and the 2018 version, you can actually write on your screen. Okay, you can actually write on your screen, not a tab anymore. So as you can see, I can type on my screen. It's displaying there. Okay, so you can add text, add nice animation to it, and you're done with the production. And once you're doing that, there will be a layer, okay, for it created over here. There will be a layer for it already created over here for the text you're writing. Okay. So now that is that for the tools and how to import footages on Premiere Pro. I guess with this little explanation I've given to you guys right now, you understand how to import footage and use the toolbars to alter or manipulate the footages. Alright people, thank you for watching this video. If you have comments or ideas to share with me, you can drop your comment down below on the comment section. Alright, if you don't have the software yet, click on the link, it's on my description right now. Click on the link, you download the latest version of Adobe Premiere Pro 2019, so you can go along with me as I teach you how to edit from a beginner's level to an expert level. Please make sure you like my video, comment, share it, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Alright, so once again, my name is Mmoh from Dennis Media Home, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.